Good morning, Baler Aurora. Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Legend. Brother Baler, a 5-hour ride from QC. Naka-hoodie and now our head is aching and still sleepy. In this town called Baler, we found Julia, the human girl. Since we were so early, we spent free time at the town buying some human and bio that I found sa book in front of the Baler Church. Alright, we go straight to the visit inside the market in Bibius, their public market with different houses and even coconut tree. Also the bridge known as Alpine Bridge.
Ayun na nga, no-split ako sa unang part. And now, we are here at Dinigisit Rock Formation facing the Philippine Sea and the entire Pacific Ocean. Then returning back, we had the time to reminisce the past were in Tromba Marina, the destructive tidal wave that struck Baler Aurora on December 27, 1735. When it arrived around 2 a.m., the town was devastated in seconds, and 7 families managed to survive. Angara family, Biasa family, Bitong family, Carrasco family, Ferreras, Lumasak, and Poblete clans, and because they found Ermita Hill as their safe haven. We stayed until the time of our check-in and our transit, so ikot-ikot lang, then coffee, and then muni-muni here at Ermita Hill. Next stop, hanging bridge in Tibag, Sabang River, made of steel cable and wood footbridge. It was a challenge crossing Baler hanging bridge.
Nakakatakot!
Is to connect two barangays, the barangay Tibang and barangay Sabang. Upon reaching the middle, it gives me butterflies in my stomach, but it was all worth the adventure. Prior to year 2011, the bridge was hard to walk that caused your hair racing, but now it was repaired and became a tourist spot already. Take note, there's a small souvenir shop at the footbridge.
Yes. What's up, Dad? Ay, ganda nga.
Baler is known as the birthplace of Philippine surfing. The reason why I joined Baler Tour is to surf. It is best time to surf in Baler since it is start of rainy season. Sabang Beach is indeed perfect for surfers with its big waves. There were a lot of surf instructor and you will just pay their service around 500 pesos. They will teach you the rope for an hour. It was my second time to try surfing and it was fun. Maybe I just noticed along the shoreline there were trunks of trees scattered along. Maybe the design is dirty to everyone but nature arranged it. The second day I enjoyed mostly my surf, probably because it was not crowded and the wave is so perfect. Thanks to my coach because he taught me advanced in surfing like paddling. He's just only senior high school student from Mount Carmel College. His name is Joey. People were so friendly and always wearing their smile to people.